capture attention on YouTube Shorts, start with an engaging hook. This is the first few seconds of your video, and it should be compelling enough to make viewers want to watch more. Use intriguing questions, bold statements, or eye-catching visuals to draw viewers in immediately. Creating content that aligns with current trends is crucial. Keep an eye on what is popular and relevant in your niche. This not only increases the chances of your video being discovered, but also makes it more relatable to your audience. Crafting optimized titles and using relevant hashtags can significantly boost your video's visibility. Titles should be clear and concise, while hashtags should be specific to your content. This helps the algorithm categorize your video correctly. Reaching the right audience. Design your videos to loop seamlessly. This encourages viewers to watch multiple times, increasing your total view count. A clever ending that ties back to the beginning can make your video feel like a continuous experience. Consistency is key to building an audience. Regularly posting content keeps your channel active and encourages viewers to return. Develop a posting schedule that you can maintain, ensuring a steady stream of content. By focusing on engaging hooks, trending content, optimized titles and hashtags, seamless loops, and consistent posting, you can significantly increase your chances of reaching 1 million views on YouTube Shorts. Implement these strategies and watch your view count soar.